welcome to DocArt. Hello guys, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Spongebob Squarepants and Patrick Star. Oops, and Mr. Krabs. Enjoy the draw.
My best friend made it for me.
Shh, okay. You can be a spy. Just be quiet.
Our friendship ring!
I guess we'll never have fun together again.
You said you found my dislodged cranial cap last time.
Yes?
Where exactly did you find it?
It was right here.
Impossible! SpongeBob! Come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here.
Where's your best friend now, SpongeBob?
Well, according to this t-shirt, it says my best friend is right here.
How about now?
Right by my side. Wow, clothing that announces our feelings for each other. Your tears! They're melting the glue! Keep crying! I'll do the same and maybe I can slip out of this thing! Boy!
Great
Reporting for duty! SpongeBob, snap out of it! It's me, your best friend, Patrick!
What's that? I can't hear you, what with all the lonely voices in my head.
Oh man, he's too far gone.
Not fit to live in society.
Is this all my fault? Me and my dumb ideas! I'm so sorry! I can't do it! SpongeBob, come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here. You're good.
Thanks. Darn!
Mary had a little lamb whose meat was white as
Pickle fish lips! Sea weevil!
Yorkie
Yorkie
Smorgies. At least I'm safe inside my mind.
At least I'm safe inside my mind.
Let's get him, Patrick.
I don't know, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I don't know, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I know what I want to do today.
Look, Patrick, Squidward's finally playing along.
Go away! Can't you idiots take a hint?
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See ya!